Once upon a time, in a peaceful farmyard, a mother duck was waiting for her eggs to hatch. One by one, the eggs cracked open. Out came 5 cute yellow ducklings. Quack, quack, they chirped happily. But one egg, much bigger than the rest, took longer to hatch. Finally, crack. It opened, and out came a big grey duckling. He looked nothing like his fluffy yellow siblings. The other ducklings laughed. "You're so big. You're so ugly." Even the farm animals said mean things. The poor duckling felt so sad. He didn't understand why he was different. So one night, he decided to leave. He waddled far from the farm, looking for a place where he belonged. He met geese, chickens, and even a cat, but no one accepted him. Winter came, cold and snowy. The duckling found shelter and waited for spring. Then, one sunny day, the snow melted and the flowers bloomed. The duckling saw some beautiful birds on the pond, tall and white with long necks. He felt drawn to them. Carefully, he walked toward the water. To his surprise, he saw his reflection. Not a grey, awkward duckling, but a beautiful white swan. He had grown into a magnificent swan. The other swans welcomed him with open wings. Finally, he was home. The ugly duckling was ugly no more. He was beautiful, inside and out. Never judge someone by how they look. Everyone is special in their own way. Sometimes we just need time to grow.